are some of our most popular items in our shop, and we're going to be making 3 of them this afternoon. So these have already been glued up. This one has already gone through the drum sander, and I have the pattern traced on it. So it just needs to be shaped and then finish sanded. These 2, I have to run through the drum sander, create the pattern, and shape. So we're going to get to work. So when I'm running these through the sander, I find the flattest side to start with, the side that has the least rock to it, which I think is this one. My height is just over 1 1/4 inches, and I'm going to put it through and then adjust till it just starts sanding. It would help if I actually turned the sander on. Alright, so my first side is now completely flat, and I'm gonna flip it over, get this side done, and then we will move on to shaping this board.